In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful ways you can use AI in restricted classrooms without ever using student data. Whether you're in a locked-down environment, working with vulnerable populations, or just want to stay safe and compliant, these ideas are for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Lesson planning with AI. You don't need to feed student info to get customized, creative, and engaging lesson plans. Just ask your AI tool to create a lesson based on your content standards, topic, grade level, and class length. You can even request it to match your school's preferred framework, like Madeline Hunter or Universal Design for Learning. This saves time while still letting you personalize the lesson during delivery. Number 2. Generating differentiated content. Need tiered questions or leveled readings? AI can do that without knowing anything about your actual students. Just say something like, generate 3 levels of reading questions for 10th grade about the theme in Of Mice and Men. Or create an easier and more advanced version of this 5th grade reading passage on ecosystems. You'll instantly get materials you can adapt for your learners without collecting or uploading any personal data. Number 3. Brainstorming hooks with engagement. Ever get stuck coming up with a lesson hook or anticipatory set? AI is great for brainstorming skits, real-world scenarios, or short activities to spark curiosity. Try prompts like, give me a creative lesson hook to introduce fractions to 4th graders, or write a 2-minute dialogue that introduces persuasive techniques for high school students. Again, no student data needed, just your topic and grade level. Number 4. Automating rubrics and feedback starters. You can use AI to build rubrics aligned to your standards or to generate sentence starters for feedback. Say goodbye to repetitive grading comments. Instead, ask AI, create a standards-based rubric for a 7th grade argumentative essay. Or, give me 5 positive and constructive feedback sentences I can use when grading digital presentations, all without referencing specific students. Number 5. Teacher productivity and stress reduction. Restricted classrooms often mean more responsibilities and fewer resources. AI can help reduce your workload by drafting emails, organizing checklists, or summarizing meeting notes. Ask for things like, write a polite reminder email to parents about missing permission slips, or create a weekly to-do list for a middle school science teacher in April. These tools can save your time and your sanity. Final thought. Just because you're working in a restricted environment doesn't mean you can't tap into the power of AI. You can still plan engaging lessons, differentiate content, and lighten your mental load without using or storing any student data. Want even more ideas? Check the description for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered teaching strategies. See you next time.